Most people get in Christianity, they cut themselves off from ancestors, but their mind believes God is protecting them, and it's their higher self that's actually doing it under the banner of what they call Jesus or God. So that's why it's real for them. Or the Orishas, it's real for them. But you need to understand the true science is you make it real. It's not no Oshun up there, son. Oshun is an ignorant energy signature that you participate with for the energy. If you give something cause and under the name of Oshun, then you get an effect called Oshun. But there was a point, there was no such thing as Oshun, and priests made it up. I know you love that shit, but those are made up names for a group of people so they can have access to energies by calling it a name, a color, a symbol, an image, which is a symbol, a name, which to call it, a color, sometimes mount, but peacocks, honey, all of these things, days of the week, dances, elements, water, and all this shit is to line you up with the energy of love. Love is a complex energy. So if I streamline it into a personality, it's a way the average guy can have access in the astral world to the energy. So if you're in Nigeria, you create a system of orishas that have an answer for all the energies you would need. You need a war energy to protect yourself. You need a job energy to sustain yourself, Ogun, Shango for the war. You need love energy, truthfully love for yourself before anybody else, Oshun. You need a mother energy, Yemaya. You need a father energy, this one. You need a spiritual energy, which is Orumala, who's here. You need a beginning, a way to start, a legba, which is the opening of the door. And then you need something bigger than your concept down here, which is what I'm pointing up there, and that's called Oludamare. And if you really know the science and stop thinking they're fucking people in the sky judging you for your moralism, and understand that these are energy signatures that you access, and stop thinking Oshun is mad at you. Oshun allowed you to brush her hair in a fucking dream. Oshun allowed you to brush her hair, and understand. No, these are energies. They're not people with fucking feelings, you fucking morons. Ain't nobody up there with feelings. They're energy signatures, and it is live. But down here on Earth, your human body's an energy signature. Let's be clear. They showed you that in the Matrix, that you ain't nothing more than a fucking battery. So your energy signatures down here, we're just used to interacting with people. So it's the same thing there. So now if I was the Dogon, I created a network of ancestors that I can access through my ritual and through my work. They don't just come around, oh yeah, nigga, we thinking about you. You here to do us proud. Nobody, ain't nobody, they're not moving along. That's not the evolution. I'm trying to do my ancestors proud. That's stupid. That's church shit. That's not how it even works. They're not into pride. They're not human no more. Why would the fucking ancestors care about pride on Earth when they're not on Earth? Listen, do you care about white pride? And you're on the same planet with them. You don't give a fuck because you ain't got nothing to do with that. So why would the spirit, who never was on Earth, know about Earth shit? You talk to the energies that were on Earth. That's who you ask for money, bitches, jobs, and all the rest of that crap. Oshun don't know how to get you no fucking man or no fucking woman. It's about self-love. It's an internal understanding with that energy. Oshun, man or woman, there's about fucking different paths. Do you know there's a swamp version of Oshun? Oshun of the swampy waters? How come you don't never see that bitch on Facebook? How you know my pussy is dirty? I'm Oshun of the swampy waters. You know what I'm saying? I'm itching right now. You know what I'm saying? And you know, y'all niggas need to get with this Oshun energy. Ooh, my titties stink. Ooh, my titties stink. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to get with this Oshun of the swampy waters. But no, everybody's the fly Oshun with the honey on her hip. You know what I'm saying? Doing all of this kind of shit. Get the fuck on. You know what I'm saying? Made up egotistical bullshit. Stop me when I'm fucking lying. Made up egotistical bullshit. Really, these are energy access points. And if you use them as such, like the same way, like you don't pray to the fucking electricity in your walls. It's an energy force, and that's what the astral world is. And these energy forces, just look around the room. This is plugged in, that's plugged in, this is plugged in, but they all do different things. And I don't pray to them. If my speakers don't work, I don't say they're mad at me. I didn't give them libations. I know I didn't turn them on right or didn't plug them in right. So maybe you're not plugging into the energy right. And not that she's mad at you, because if I lick that wall socket, it's going to seem like the electricity is mad at me. What time is it? Let me order me some shit.